I think he needs a cuddle. I've got the hiccups. Can you do this map every time? It's the closest thing to speak like you know. Yeah. Fuck. Sorry. Okay, well that's it for today. Only 5 races because we didn't reach the sub goal today. Maybe tomorrow. There may be a stream tomorrow, but I know there definitely won't be a stream on Sunday because I am not possessed. I am having lunch with my mum and dad. Okay, so I may or may not see you tomorrow. If not, I may see you on Monday. Oh, I think they've gone. Thanks. Pin the tweet and do an Insta post. Do a post on Instagram. I didn't take any really good Instagram pictures really. Pin it. I might do a post if I get a cute picture in it. Okay, good night everyone. Thank you for coming to the merch release stream. Thank you for watching Frog of the Day. That was really fun. I look forward to many more Frog of the Days with you guys. That might end up becoming my favorite part of the stream. If you're interested in the merch, there is a chat command for the merch. I'm wearing the large crew neck sweatshirt. A third of the profits of the merch will be going towards a Christmas charity that provides gifts for children and young people in mental health wards at Christmas time. There's no water left, mate. I'm gonna go fill it up. I need to pee as well. So yeah, thanks everyone. I think I have to change the outro song because I think that's the MCA outro song. I'm just gonna end it here.